Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Is it just a mild glow-up or a full-on AI revolution? Let's break down how it stacks up against its predecessor, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. First up, thinking power. Claude 3.7 introduces extended thinking mode, which lets it chew through problems with 128K tokens of internal reasoning. That's like giving it a whiteboard the size of a football field to solve your questions. The older 3.5? Solid, but maxes out at standard reasoning. Think of it like swapping a skateboard for a Tesla Cybertruck. And get this, 3.7 can show its work. Need to see how it landed on an answer. It'll literally map out its logic chain like a math teacher who wants you to succeed. Transparency? We love to see it. Dual mode alert. Claude 3.7 lets you toggle between standard mode, quick answers like 3.5, and extended thinking mode, deep dives. Perfect for when you need a lightning fast fact or a PhD level analysis. Coders, this one's for you. Claude 3.7 crushes 3.5 in software engineering tasks. 62.3% accuracy versus 49% on the software engineering benchmark test. It even debuts Claude Code, a self-sufficient coding tool that edits, debugs, and iterates like a caffeine-fueled dev. So, if you are a software engineer, yeah, you're cooked. And the output? 3.7 delivers 15 times longer responses, up to 128K tokens. That's like writing War and Peace in one go, while 3.5 maxes out at a novella. Real talk, should you upgrade? If you're into coding, research, solving big problems, or you don't want to lose your software engineering job, 3.7's your new bestie. But if you just need quick answers, 3.5 still slaps. Let me show you the difference between the two models with an example. Let's say I want to build a simple interactive web application built using Next.js and Tailwind CSS, designed to help users track and reflect daily on things they're grateful for. Users can quickly input gratitude notes, which are saved along with the date. Past entries are displayed in an organized, responsive layout, and users can easily delete entries if desired. I asked ChatGPT to write me a detailed prompt for this app, and let's give it to Claude 3.5 and Claude 3.7. Let's start with Claude 3.5 and see what he cooked. By the way, I am using those models within Cursor AI. After a few minutes of coding, he ended up giving me this web app, which is pretty decent if you ask me. Let's see if we can delete the messages, and yes, it works perfectly. Now let's see how Claude 3.7 will do for the same prompt. Again, I let him work for a while, and here is the result for Claude 3.7. And damn, that is way better than the previous one, am I right? The CSS, the animations, and the colors are just working so well together. So that's it for today. I hope this video helped you understand Claude 3.7 better. We really saw how stronger it is compared to Claude 3.5. See you guys in the next one.